Hey, good morning. Um, we are in week 8 now. This is the second to last week of the semester. So we're going to finish up the book. Make sure you read chapters 36 through the epilogue. You need to read the epilogue also. So 36, 37, 38, 39, and the epilogue. It's not too long. Then we will have our questions, just like normal. We've got some vocab. And then the questions are broken out by chapter there. So the story is finally going to wrap up. Some things to pay attention to. At the beginning of chapter 36 and 37, Hillenbrand moves, her narrative style changes. She goes from telling a story to almost being a reporter, talking about where the bird is, what he's been up to, finding all the facts and information that she can, which is not a ton. And so pay attention to how kind of her tone and her voice changes in those chapters. And then I want you to think to yourself in 36, 37, and a little bit of 38, is it worth it for Louis to hold on to all of this anger towards the bird? Obviously, it's hard to just let things go, and that's not realistic to ask of him. But more of like, if Louis knew how the bird was living now and what the bird's life looked like, do you think Louis would be so obsessed with this idea of revenge? So pay attention to that. Louis also obviously is out of the camps now. He's no longer a prisoner. But ask yourself through those first couple chapters, 36 through 38, does he seem free? Does he really seem like he's no longer a prisoner? Or is he just a prisoner to other things? So kind of pay attention to that. And then look for what finally frees him. What is the thing that finally lets him release his anger, release all of that revenge, things like that. And then once he's free, how does he live? What does he spend his life doing? And how does the novel come full circle? So hopefully you guys like the end of the book. As usual, the quiz will be posted on Thursday. And then next week, we have our final exam, and that is the end of the semester. I will tell you the final exam, it's going to be an essay. It's not going to be a multiple choice test. It'll be an argument essay about an aspect of the novel. So we will go over that I'll actually post the final on this Friday, so you can have the weekend to work on it. That way, if you get done a little bit early, you're done a little bit early. So I'll post instructions with that on Friday. So if you have any questions, reach out. The word of the week is Starbucks. So email me the word Starbucks if you're not able to make the meet, and I will get you counted for attendance.